Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm having a good day.
Eh?
I hope y'all are having a good day.
Okay. Dale un kissy. Okay, but I was having a bad day and my friend decided to shout me out. So I want to give her a shout out, you know. Her name is Rosa. So check her out and you'll see me right there. If it's still on for 24 hours. What am I doing? I'm giving a shout out. Cuidado, okay? Y no se te va a caer, okay?
Because.
Cuidado.
Yes.
No, no se la enseñes. Mira así. Ah, ok. Así.
Hi, guys.
Okay. Let her use it for a little bit. Be careful, okay?
Hey. Can you put this like this?
Just don't run, okay?
Okay.
I got you. Sí, cuidado.
Tráela, Ariana.
A ver, espérame. No, no te la voy a quitar, nomás va. Okay, yeah, you can go down. Yay! What the hell? What? 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 No, because if something happens, I'm not responsible. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Let me see your Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and follow her on YouTube.
Follow me on YouTube. Okay, give him a kiss.
And follow Instagram. Hurry up, please.
Okay, a ver, let me see. Show us your outfit. Okay, okay. Give us a spin. Okay, 360. ¿Tú? A ver tu dress. A ver tu dress. A ver, April. Okay, pues no. No, pues, okay, no.
And Booties is a babysitter.
I'm a babysitter? Oh, ahorita, espérame. Por ahí. ¿Qué? Turn around.
Boy, if you don't get...
You have a stinky face. So right now we are popping fireworks. Those are not dangerous at all. No, eso no truena, sale un humito nomás. Agárralo. Con cuidado. Damn. That's nice for Halloween. Those are nice.
Yeah, the center.
Okay, get some more. ¿Quieres uno, April?
What is it?
Throw them in the sky. Yeah, that one is pretty.
Oh, hi.
Throw it, like, leave it here and then you throw it in the sky. Okay?
I don't need a bird.
When you feel like it's burning you, which is not gonna burn you, I just keep it. It's pretty. Eh? Jorge! Is there another one of those?
No, but there's a blue one. There's another
Mande?
one. No, yo.
Sí. Sí. ¿Quieres estar en mi video? ¿Sí? ¿Qué quiere? Marta, ¿qué quiere decir?
Yes.
¿Eh? Sí, ¿qué quiere decir? Mande saludos.
Un saludo para todo Oklahoma City.
¡Eh!
Es todo, Jorge. ¿Lo vas a subir a YouTube, eh?
Mis ojos. Míos. Bien.
¿Qué tienes?
¿Qué?
Okay.
Ok, yo quiero uno.
So, let me
You
see.
ready? Grábame mi, ¿ok?
So let's play that. Let's play that.
Dang, salió.
So look. So let's put it. There we go.
What? They don't even work?
Wait! Double! Wow!
Cuidado.
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Tell me. It's okay, they don't hurt. Yay!
Jessica won. Stop.
A ver. Cuidado, no los pones en tu ojo. Here.
Uti! Uti came off.
Tell me, ten. Tell me. Hurry.
¿Vos te le hecho con la pelo?
Sí. A ver qué hace. Dásela, espera. He's scared.
There it goes. I'm gonna touch it.
No, it's gonna be hot.
Not funny.
I probably need a seatbelt first, you know, because be quiet, shush. I'm gonna be driving. I don't need any distractions over here. Okay guys, this is the thing. I am going to Starbucks right now. Do you guys want something? Let me know. What do you want? Iced coffee mocha? I got you. And I'm really weird because I don't have any friends. Like honestly, I don't know if you guys can see, because I don't have any friends, so I'm gonna go by myself. Nobody wants to, even my dad doesn't even want to take me to Starbucks, honestly, because I asked him what was he doing, because yeah, if we could go somewhere, and he didn't reply back. So sad moment. It's okay, it's okay. I don't have any friends, but it's okay. Let me play some music up, you know. I just took a quick shower because your girl needed a quick shower because it's freaking hot in here, freaking hot in OKC, and y'all home, you know. I know it's too much info, but just in case you guys are like, you gotta wear something. Just kidding. All right, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna blast some Cardi B up in this beat, and let's see what I'm going to get because I want something really good. Enough. Let's go. Ooh, that. How in the world? Okay. Okay, I don't know. The lighting is really bad, but the guy the guy that was working there, he was so cute. Honestly, he looks like a model, but he was gay. You can tell he was gay by the way he was talking. So I got ooh, they put my name right. I got a venti passion tea lemonade. Oh my god, ever since the 8 came out, like I started drinking it. Well, I saw it on Starbucks, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this precious little thing. It's so good. It's so good. It's just so good. Yes. So good. Now I'm gonna head home.